Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple hairspray. The spray is very moisturizing, hydrating and softening. It also helps to thicken hair naturally. So keep watching this video so you won't miss any important information. The first ingredient we have for this recipe is cucumber. I will be making use of 2 small cucumber. So as you can see, I'm just washing them to get rid of dirt and impurities that may be present. Once I'm done washing them, now I'm going to go ahead and grate them into small pieces using a grater. You can also decide to blend your cucumber, but for me, I'm just going to grate them. Cucumber contains 95% water. So even if you blend or you grate, you are going to extract all the juice. Cucumber helps to hydrate our hair. It also helps to hydrate the scalp as well. It helps to thicken hair because it contains a lot of vitamin C. So this is not the first time I have used cucumber. For many times, whenever I feel my hair is dry, I just make cucumber juice and apply. My hair feels soft and hydrated. So if your hair is drier and breaks a lot, then you need to make something like this. Just make cucumber juice and try it on your hair, and you'll be amazed how soft it will be. So once I'm done grating, now I'm going to strain out and extract the cucumber juice. I'm just using my piece of cloth. Grab anything that you have, a strainer or a cheesecloth, and strain out everything. I'm squeezing out just to make sure that I get all of the cucumber juice, and this is what we got after straining out. So I'm just going to keep it aside for a moment. We will also be needing aloe vera, and with me here I have 2 aloe vera leaves. They are not big, so that's why I'm using 2 of them. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces, into cubes, and then I'll go ahead and wash them to get rid of poison or latex. Aloe vera usually contains latex, a yellow substance that comes out whenever you cut fresh aloe vera. So if you don't wash thoroughly, you may experience irritation. So as you can see, my aloe vera doesn't have that latex because the time I cut it, I dipped it in water and it sat for about 30 minutes. I'm just rinsing it out the second time just to make sure that it is very clean with no any latex. As you can see, the water is very clean. So I went ahead and removed the outer skin, and this is what we have. I'm just going to transfer it to a blender, and then I'll proceed into blending. I didn't add any water. Usually my aloe vera contains a lot of water. I don't know why. So I don't add any water whenever I make aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to strain out the aloe vera juice using a piece of cloth. As you can see, it is very watery. It is not jelly. So that's an advantage for me because I don't need to add any water. If your aloe vera contains a lot of gel, just add some water. Now I'm going to mix the cucumber juice with the aloe vera, and I'm giving it a little stir and mix everything. Once I'm done mixing, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer to an applicator bottle or a spray bottle. So if you're watching this video and this is the first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So once I'm done transferring the treatment to a spray bottle, now I'm going to cover it, and then after that I will proceed into the application and I will be showing you guys how I use this treatment on my hair. This is how my hair looks right now. It is really dry, and today is the day that I am remoisturizing it. So this spray is beneficial for me because it not only moisturize the hair but also helps to soften it as well as providing a lot of hydration and moisture. So this spray is really beneficial. If you have not yet tried it, you need to give it a try. Make it, use it on your hair, and I guarantee you that your hair will be softer than ever before. It will also retain moisture for a couple of days without drying out. If you use normal water, it can never be compared with this. Cucumber plus aloe vera provides a lot of moisture to the hair. They are great, provide a great hydration to the hair. So just apply from your scalp, then work towards the ends and take time to make sure to squeeze it in. My hair is really dry and it takes time for the product to get in it. So that's why whenever I apply something like a spray, I take time to squeeze it in. I squeeze products in so that they can penetrate into the strands. So as you can see, I applied on one section or one side of my hair, and now I'm on the other side. I'm just taking time spraying it, squeezing in, and massaging a little bit on my scalp. Once I'm done, I'm going to follow up with a leave-in conditioner. Guys, I always say that never leave your hair like that after using any spray. Either water, a leave-in herbal spray, or something like this. Never leave your hair like that. Just make sure you coat with a leave-in conditioner and hair butter. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.